Hi guys, it's me Afrathepopcorn. I hope you all are staying safe and are doing fine. In today's video of mine, I'll do a dotted mandala. But before the drawing, I will give you guys some basic tips about colors. So today I will talk about the primary colors. And in my next video, I will give you guys some ideas about how you can make different shades by using these primary colors.
There's a single mom out of a job just trying to feed two mouths. There's no money in the bank, mortgage is late, she's about to lose her house. She's on her way to the shelter hoping someone will help her when her car just breaks down. She's in despair.
Now let's go and start our drawing.
Says a prayer, cries, God, can you help me out? And right then a passerby pulls up, and a nice retired couple steps out and gives that lady a hug. 'Cause love always wins, love always wins every time. There's no trying to keep it down, 'cause it'll always find a way to up and fly and go where it needs to go and see who it needs to see. To spread faith and hope and love out there to those in need. Love always wins. We'll come to find out that old couple owns two companies in town. One is just a half a block from that lady's house. The man shakes her hand, smiles and says, I'd like to help you in some way. Well, how'd you like to come work for me? Can you start on Monday? And then the man reaches in his pocket and pulls out some cash. Says this should get you by till you can get your first check. 'Cause love always wins, love always wins every time. There's no trying to keep it down, 'cause it'll always find a way to up and fly and go where it needs to go and see who it needs to see. Spread faith and hope and love out there to those in need. Love always wins, 'cause love always wins. It always wins every time. You can't keep it down, 'cause it'll always find a way to up and fly